how to send disappearing photo in Telegram. So let's get started. First of all, launch the Telegram application in your mobile device. After that, make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now once you land on this interface, now select any of your accounts on Telegram where you would like to send the pictures to. Now once you get to the chat page, tap on this clipboard or this pin icon from the bottom right corner in front of this microphone icon. There you will be asked if you want to click a pictures from a camera or simply send it from your gallery. So from your gallery, select any of the pictures that you would like to send. So select your picture. Now once you land or this interface and select your picture, under this section that says add a caption, there is a timer icon next to that. So tap on this timer icon. Now from this pop-up box, you can select the timer. You can select either 3 seconds, 10 seconds or 30 seconds, and within the time period or after this time period, your photo will get disappeared from the chat. So if you would like to select the view once, the receiver will only be able to view your picture once. Or if you like to allow the receiver to view your pictures for 3 seconds, go for 3 seconds. Or if you like to keep your pictures in chat and do not delete, tap on the last option. Now here I will go with view once, and after that simply send these pictures. Now once the receiver sees this image, it will get disappear after once. So that's how you can send disappearing photo in Telegram, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.